Hi, Nicole Van Den Enden here, your local ENJO-preneur. I wanted to show you really quickly. I made an apple crisp this morning that was amazing. It has no sugar. I'll post the recipe down below. But I wanted to show you, I made a mess and then I thought I'm going to do a video and I'm going to add to this. So I did, while I was making the recipe, I spilled some flour and then I thought I'm going to make a video. So I'm going to just add more flour. So just quickly, I'm going to show you just using water. So you know that's just water. So just add a little bit of water to your mess. This is awesome for bakers, anybody who likes to bake or have children who bake, because we know what they're like for cleaning. So what I'm going to show you is our kitchen all-purpose cloth. Now this is all-purpose. You can use it on your dishes, your counters, your woods. I actually use it just for a quick clean, simple, light cleaning on my stainless steel. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. Anyways, this is what I'm going to show you what it can do on flour on your counters. So I want you to notice that I'm not sweeping it onto my hand off the counter. And I did put quite a lot, so it's clumping up, which anyhow. And just for good measure, add a little bit of water. There we go. So it is all right here. I did not once wipe it off the counter, and then simply all you do is to finish up your cleaning job so that no bacteria grows is you just dry behind with our annual fill, which again has no flour on it. But this annual fill will leave everything super dry, super shiny, streak free. It's amazing. It's a two-step process. You clean with this, and look at all the flour stuck in here, then dry with this. So that is my tip for you. Anybody who are bakers, anybody who owns a kitchen, who cooks in the kitchen, who eats food, you need this. So message me if you need any more information. I'd love to help you out. Have a great day. Bye.